Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tapers and Fades, here with another video. Today we're going to be doing an undercut on curly hair with a medium bald fade with a lineup. And if you guys like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. So my first step, like always, is to make our first bald guideline. And when doing a medium bald fade, I like to start my line from point to point of your side hairline, making it identical on both sides. Then I go up an inch with no guard, levered down. And I lost a little footage, but from the no guard with the lever down, I went to a 1 clip to a 1.5 clip. Then I went all the way up to the part with a number 2. So right here, I already went around the entire head with the no guard with the lever up, lightly flicking away the line, just starting off the blend. Then I adjust the lever down a little bit at a time, blending away the line, going around the entire head. And from here, I'm just going back and forth with the lever, blending as I see it. And as you can see, there's a couple dark spots making the line look uneven, so I'm going to blend away these dark spots so I can make this line look as straight as I can. Then I'm just going to touch up whatever needs to get touched up before I move on to the lineup. And right here, you guys can see that the line still drops a little bit towards the backside, but I end up bringing up that line a little later in the video, making it nice and straight. And here, I'm just going over it with the Andy's T-liner, following up with the wall shaver, giving this fade an extra layer, making this haircut super bald on the sides. So here for his lineup, since I'm right-handed, lining up his right side is a lot easier than lining up his left side. So for me, it's easier to use my left hand to line up his left side. Then after we're done lining him up with the T-liner, I'll follow it with the razor to sharpen those lines up. Here, if you guys didn't notice, I shaved off his beard and his mustache. And since my camera died, I figured I would shave it off and let my battery charge. Then after we're done lining him up with the T-liner, I'll apply a little shaving gel and go over it with the razor to sharpen those lines up. And when using a razor, I'll always pull the skin the opposite way for a nice smooth cut. Here it is, you guys. I hope you guys like the haircut. If you guys do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Everyone's support is very much appreciated, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.